Let's move on now to talk about sampling and replacement. So if we first look at sampling with replacement, what do we mean? So once a unit is selected, the unit goes back into the population. So it is possible that the returned unit is selected again. But if the population is very large, the probability of getting the same unit twice is extremely low. Sampling with replacement guarantees the probability of all units chosen are independent of each other. The bootstrapping sampling method uses this to create many simulated samples. So some examples of sampling with replacement would be like netting a fish, measuring it, and returning it to the stream. Another example would be like drawing a card from a deck, looking at it, and returning it to the deck, and then drawing a second card. In contrast to sampling with replacement, we can sample without replacement. So once a unit is selected, the unit is removed from the population. Therefore, it is not possible to select the unit again. The probability of all units chosen are dependent on each other. So some examples similar to what we had with replacement. So sampling without replacement, if you were to net a fish, measure it, and then place the fish in a temporary tank, that keeps it out of the population of fish in the stream. Or when it comes to a deck of cards, drawing a card from the deck, looking at it, and then keeping it, and then drawing a second card.